All right, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today, we're gonna show you how to make these beautiful garlic sticks. They're so easy to prepare and very inexpensive. Unfortunately, Chef Dominic called in sick today. He actually had the flu shot earlier in the week and it made him sick. But anyway, we had to get this video out, so here it is. All right, let's get cooking. Let's start the dough. This dough is so easy to make, and it only has like 5 ingredients. It has sugar, it's got, of course, the flour. I like to use King Arthur flour. Actually, that bread flour, it's high in gluten. And then we have some salt, olive oil, and of course the water. We're gonna start off by filling this up to about 1.25 cups of water. All right, first we're gonna start off by using the dry yeast here. This packet is about 2¼ teaspoons. And we're gonna go ahead and use this whole packet right here. We're gonna go ahead and let that set for about 2 minutes and then we'll mix it up a little bit. Meanwhile, we're gonna go ahead and fill this bowl with flour. We're gonna go ahead and put 3 1/3 cup of flour in here. 2, 3, here we got 1/3 cup right here. Then we're gonna go ahead and put in 1 tablespoon of salt. Then we'll mix this up a little bit. Mix that up. All right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of sugar. This helps activate the yeast. Let's go ahead and mix that around. I'm gonna get it nice and dissolved. The water temperature here is actually between 100 and 110 degrees. You don't want it any hotter because it will kill the yeast and your dough will not rise. Okay, that's all done. Pour that in there. And then we're going to put 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So I'm going to go ahead and let this mix. And let it mix on low for about 10 minutes. All right, dough's just about done. You didn't know I had a dancing KitchenAid here, huh? They threw that in for free. All right, dough's ready. Take a look at that, Sean. All right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just put about a teaspoon of olive oil. Go ahead and remove the dough. What I like about this recipe is you can use the dough the same day. Our other recipes, like for the garlic rolls and the pizza, is a 2-day process. All right, so go ahead and grease both sides of this piece of dough. I'm going to go ahead and cover it up. And we're going to let this rise for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. 1.5 hours should be fine though. And there we go. We'll be back. All right, I made this batch earlier, so this dough is fully risen. It's doubled in size, and it's ready to form little loaves. See, the oil makes it a lot easier to remove from the bowl here. Okay. Try to even this out, square it off. Okay. Now I got some semolina. I like to place semolina on the bottom of the pan here. And I've got it on top of parchment paper. The semolina gives it a nice crisp crunch on the bottom. Now we're going to go ahead and cut this about an inch. So all cut up. Now we're just going to go ahead and just pull it out a little bit. Perfect size right there. Pinch the ends a little bit. There we go. We're going to space them out about 1 inch apart. We kind of want them to rise into each other. So this way gives it that nice fluffy texture once it's cooked. You know, they make these at the Olive Garden, you know. This is Chef Don's favorite restaurant. No, I'm just kidding. But these we made also at the restaurant back in '79, along with the garlic rolls. This is kind of the same process. Perfect amount. So how many do we have here, Sean?
Let me count quick.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
13.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13. A baker's dozen we have here. And like I said, this is less than $1 to make compared to trying to buy it at any grocery store. And of course, they're going to be 100 times better. All right, we're going to go ahead and let these rise. What I like to do, if you see my other videos, I like to preheat my oven or just warm it up a bit. If you keep them out, it might take all day, but I put them in here for 20 minutes and it's all ready. So as soon as the oven gets just a little warm, I'm going to go ahead and put these in. Make sure the oven is off because it will cook them the way they are and you don't want that. All right, the oven is warm. I'm just going to go ahead and put these in and let them rise. We'll be back in about 20 minutes. Oh, all right. If you're wondering what we're celebrating today, we are celebrating one of our short-term goals, which was hitting 50,000 subscribers. I just want to make a toast to all of our subscribers out there. It's been a nice journey. We really appreciate it, and we're looking forward to the future. We just want to thank everyone from the bottom of our hearts. And this is my wife, hello, Jerry Lee. She works behind the scenes. She's the one that decorates the kitchen for us, and she does a fantastic job. So salute, and we hope to see you all again on our channel. Salute.
Very good.
It's all ready to go. Look how nice those have risen. Now I'm going to go ahead and get the oven set for 425 degrees, and then we're going to pop that in. But we are not only eating garlic rolls today, right, Sean? We're eating some bolognese today. Beautiful meat sauce. We have this recipe on our channel as well. All right, oven is at 425. I'm going to pop these in for about 20 minutes and then we'll check on them. All right, we're going to start up on this garlic butter. First thing we're going to do is take I'd like to use a salted butter for this recipe because you want to give it a nice savory flavor once you brush it on the garlic rolls. So we're going to let that melt down. You don't want to burn it. You just want it to melt down into a creamy texture. All right. Chop up some Italian parsley. Now watch this butter here. You don't want to burn it. You want that to melt nice and slowly. Okay, that's ready. I'm going to go ahead and grate some Parmesan cheese. I like to use Reggiano. Just about a half a cup. All right, perfect. All right, the butter is nice and melted. It's still nice and creamy. You want to let that cool down a little bit before you put it in the blender. Now we're gonna go ahead and start blending up this garlic. Use 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. And then we're gonna go ahead and add just about a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And then the butter. I'm going to blend it up for about a minute and make sure that garlic gets all disintegrated inside of the oil and butter. All right, that's ready. Just put that in a bowl here. Then I'm going to add this chopped parsley to the butter mixture here. And that is all ready. All right, it's been about 15, 18 minutes. Let's check these out. Oh, look at that, man. That is beautiful. Nice and golden brown. All right, let's go bake some garlic and butter on them. Oh, look at that, Sean. Oh, you can smell that garlic cooking right on that bread already. Just slather it on there. Can't get enough garlic and butter, of course. Oh man, look at that, Sean. Now over here I have 50% salt and 50% granulated garlic. I mix that up and just go ahead and sprinkle that right on top. Get some more garlic. Can't get enough, right? And now the finishing touch, some Parmesan cheese. All right, let's eat. We have our garlic sticks here, garlic breadsticks, and we have some of our bolognese and pasta. My friend Rocky, how you doing, Rock? He used to love our garlic bread and garlic knots, and he always ordered a side of meat sauce with the rolls. And I'll tell you what, he had the right idea. Anyway, let's taste these rolls, because that's what it's all about. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Ah, look at that, nice and fluffy.
They're delicious.
Are they good, honey?
Mm-hmm, very good.
Oh my God. These actually melt in your mouth.
They really do.
They're so good. Anyway, sorry Chef Dom, I know he was looking forward to some bolognese, but he'll be here next video. Thanks again, we appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you guys next time. Ciao.